Good morning standard 8 students. In my last video, I taught you the 5 kinds of noun, that is from chapter 3. There I have discussed all the 5 kinds of noun, that is the proper noun, common noun, collective noun, materials noun and abstract noun. Today in this video, I am going to give you one exercise from the abstract noun, and I would like to teach you more about nouns, that is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So let's start. Now you can see the exercise is from page 24, Roman number 3. Fill in the blanks with abstract nouns formed from the verbs given in the brackets. You can see the verbs are given in the brackets and you have to make it as an abstract noun. Now see first question that I have done for you. Every teacher like an obedient student. You see obey is there, so I change it into the abstract noun. The whole nation was shocked by the sudden dash of Pandit Nehru. You see die is given in the bracket and you have to change it into the abstract noun. Only chemists can read the dash of doctors. Right is given in the bracket. You have to change it into the abstract noun. We reached the station well before the dash of the train. You see, arrive is given. You have to change it into abstract noun. The honorable court delivered its dash. Judge. Judge is given in the bracket is a verb and you have to change it into the abstract noun. The family had to make an important dash. This is the decide. You have to change it into abstract noun. My father gave me a lot of, see question number 7. My father gave me a lot of dash to do well in sports. Encourage. You have to change it into the abstract noun. And the last question is given. The doctor correctly diagnosed his dash sick. That is the, you have to change into abstract noun. Now let's start with the countable and uncountable nouns. You can see over here, countable nouns are nouns that can be quantified or counted with a number. Learn the following countable nouns. Names of persons, animals, plants, insects and their parts. Examples are boy, kitchen, rose, ear, spider, etc. Objects with definite shape. Examples are building, balloon, house, etc. Units of measurement. Examples are gram, pound, milliliter, etc. Words of classification. Examples are family, state, language, phrase, etc. Abstract nouns. Examples are hindrance, scheme, idea, etc. Now remember, countable nouns can be quantified by a number. They have singular and plural forms. A, an or one can be used before a countable noun. Words like several, many or a few can also be used before countable nouns. Now let's go to the uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the names of things that cannot be counted. That can only be used in singular form. For example, smoke, water, fog, salt, coffee, etc. Learn the following uncountable nouns. Materials in their raw form, food, metals and natural qualities. Examples are bread, cotton, wood, lightness, adolescence, etc. Names of liquids, gases and substances that are made of many small particles. Example are oil, smoke, oxygen, rice, sugar, salt, cement, etc. Names of languages. Examples are English, Spanish, French, Sanskrit, Chinese, etc. Remember, a number such as 4, 1, 3, etc. cannot be used to quantify or uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns have only singular form. A or an cannot be used before them. Words like a little, some, less or much can be used before them. They are quantified by a word that signifies an amount. To measure or classify uncountable nouns, of is used after a measurement. For example, a kilo of rice, a bar of chocolate, a bag of sugar, an ounce of courage, etc. Abstract nouns and material nouns are generally uncountables. For example, pride, health, bravery, courage, etc. Abstract nouns. Silver, clay, wood, cotton, etc. Material noun. Some proper nouns like the name of the particular person or place, being the only one of their kind, are not countable. For example, Delhi, Maninder, America, India, etc. Note, some nouns are used both as countable and uncountable nouns. For example, the crowd threw stones at the police. It is a countable noun. This statue is made of stone. It is an uncountable noun. So dear students, today I taught you countable and uncountable nouns. In my next video, I am going to give you some exercise to do and I will teach you more. So stay with me for the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.